In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stack on Evernote. Stacks are a simple but powerful way to keep your Evernote workspace organized. Think of a stack as a folder and your notebooks as files inside that folder. When you group related notebooks into a stack, it becomes much easier to find what you need and keep similar topics together. Let's walk through how to create a stack using the Evernote web app. First, open Evernote in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Notebooks. Go ahead and click on Notebooks. This will open a page showing all the notebooks you've created so far. Now, decide which notebook you want to use to start your new stack. You can always add more notebooks to the stack later, so just pick one that represents the overall theme you have in mind, like work, school, or personal projects. Next, move your mouse over that notebook. On the right side of the notebook's name, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the Options menu for that specific notebook. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option that says Add to Stack. Click on Add to Stack. If you already had existing stacks, you would see them listed here, and you could add the notebook to one of them. But since we want to create a brand new stack, choose the option labeled New Stack. When you click New Stack, a small window or text field will appear, asking you to name your new stack. Type in a clear descriptive name that reflects the group of notebooks you want to organize. For example, you might call it Client Work, Travel Plans, or Courses. A good stack name will make it obvious what kinds of notebooks belong there. Once you've entered the name you want, look for the button labeled Create.